Breaking news, Jio revolutionizes the Indian mobile market with its latest release, the Jio Bharat 4G phone, priced at an unbelievable Rs 999. This phone is set to drive India towards a 2G free future. Reliance Jio, in partnership with Karbonn, has unveiled the first of its Jio Bharat phone models. But that's not all. Jio has also announced that more brands will soon join the Jio Bharat platform to launch affordable models. Let's take a closer look at the Jio Bharat phone. While it may resemble a traditional feature phone, don't be fooled. This smart 4G phone boasts a keypad, a camera, speakers, and the iconic Bharat branding right below the screen. With the Jio Bharat phone, users can enjoy unlimited calls anywhere in India, capture photos, and even make UPI payments using Jio Pay. And the entertainment options are endless, with support for Jio Cinema, Jio Saavn, and FM radio. The Jio Bharat phone also comes with the Jio Saavn app, which gives you access to over 8 crore songs. You also get other basic features such as FM radio and a torchlight on the Jio Bharat phone. Jio hasn't revealed what OS the phone runs on, so we don't know if other apps like WhatsApp can be downloaded on it. It's important to note that two models have been launched. One proudly showcases the Jio brand logo on its back cover, while the other displays the Karbonn logo. And for those looking for personalization, the phone comes in two vibrant colors, blue and red. Along with the Jio Bharat phone, Reliance Jio has introduced new Jio Bharat plans. For those purchasing the phone with Jio branding, there's a Rs 123 plan offering 0.5 GB of data per day and unlimited voice calls for 28 days. Or opt for the annual Rs 1234 plan delivering 0.5 GB data per day and endless calling benefits throughout the year. Speaking about the launch, Akash Ambani, chairman of Reliance Jio, emphasized the significance of this milestone. He highlighted that there are still 250 million mobile phone users in India who remain trapped in the 2G era, unable to experience the transformative power of the internet. With the Jio Bharat phone, Reliance Jio aims to bring them into the digital age. The wait is almost over. The first set of Jio Bharat phones, comprising approximately 1 million units, will be available for purchase starting July 7, 2023 at retail stores nationwide. Get ready for a new era of connectivity. Jio Bharat phones are here to make 2G a thing of the past. Stay tuned for more exciting developments from Reliance Jio and its growing list of partners.